Thanks for stopping by today, guys. Today we're going to be swapping out a 11-inch Assa Abloy door closer. The hydraulic fluid is leaking from the existing one, so we're going to do a full swap on this. Fortunately, all of the parts, they line up with the existing screw holes, so it's a pretty straightforward swap out here. If it was a first time install, then we would just have to plot out the positioning correctly, and the install would be the same otherwise. So we start out by removing the existing hardware. That's pretty straightforward. You can see on the door there where the hydraulic fluid was leaking. Once that's done, we installed the new plate on the door frame and then mount the hydraulic cylinder on the door. And you can see we install with the long part of the cylinder facing towards the hinges. This is for a parallel mount. If you're doing different setups, you'll have things oriented a little bit differently. But this is so that it's a low profile mount and it's not hanging out from the door jamb. Super thrilled that I didn't have to drill out this door frame, because these metal frames with a brick building like this are really kind of a pain in the ass to do if you're going from scratch. Once everything's installed and tightened down, then we're going to install the armatures. Like I said before, there's different setups that you can do for these. So for the armature on this one, we are going to remove the existing bracket so that we can mount it onto the bracket that we just installed on the door frame. So we just remove the screw, pull the bracket off, and then take the sleeve out, and then it mounts directly on there. We get that screwed on so that we can index our other armature like so. Slide it on, and then we're going to put it on there just so we can tension it in place and then reset it to its correct position like so. I install a temporary screw so it stays together, and then I'm just going to go through and mark the position. As you can see here, just use a marker, and that comes off super easy. That way we can line it up and torque it down. Once that's all torqued down, then we're going to go ahead and install the armature again. Both of these parts are painted, so it doesn't just slip on super easy. We're going to have to tap it in and then torque it down. And this is a number 3 Phillips bit. Your hinges and the majority of your parts for these closers are number 3s. Push bars and mortises and handles and stuff are going to be number 1 and number 2. Once that's all settled out, then we can go ahead and do our adjustments. There's 2 different Allen keys here, or Allen key slots. One adjusts the swing and one is for the latch. So your swing is your main swing of the door, and then the latch is where it catches at the last portion of the close there, and that finalizes the close. So we want to make sure that it closes at a good pace and that it's not slamming when it does shut. Pretty straightforward install here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you got something out of it. If you have any questions, please feel free to post a comment. I do appreciate if you could give me a like and a follow, and let me know if there's more videos you'd like to see. Back it off. It's pretty good. Do yourself and get you one of these panel lifts. Helps you adjust the door when you're working on it.